Kubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Umintri katanat kakot kakya uba awailat miki shilla. Henne kasngi habayakren mat kinang thok kubor halor ka Jingkyrmen sange ka NTA ya ka examen Neet UG. Uba awailat miki uloong bakani kadi ka kubor ka basngausi. Henry ka ni kamday tang ya ka jila Meghalaya. Henry ka day habaro ka way kari bat kum umintri baday pet ya katanat kakot kakya usngau bakani ka kta shibun. Namar Kidon bun ngot ki Samla na kajila ki bala penkre ban Ïakhun ya kane ke exam. Ula benrap da ka baong ba ki bor badai pet ki dei ban shim ya ki sen jam ki bating ya ki tu ki baron kti bat ka Sorkar pedeng ka dei ban Wanrah ya kita ki lat ban ai ke Jingkyrmen na ka benta ki Samla puli ha kari.
So disheartening to see, no doubt, because I think this is not only particularly for Meghalaya, this is from the NTA. So I think as a health minister, I feel so disheartening. I think it is totally unfortunate because I think quite a number of our youth who have given their time and efforts. So now again they have to do. So I think it's very unfortunate. But what could I say more, because this is being done from the NTA. But I would like to see that I think strong action should be taken and the culprit should be punished, and at the same time we would like to see that the central government should come up with I think it need to come up with something to assure the student or the youth of our country.
Any idea how many from Meghalaya?
Right now I don't have the exact data because it will be definitely quite a number of them, but right now I don't have the data.